What's up, guys? How you doing? Well, I hope. Today is going to be a moving vlog, and I just wanted to start a little bit out of order because I didn't want to make a video without having addressed what's going on in the world. I think, obviously it's very scary and it's a very trying time for so many of us. So the first thing that I would love to do is to thank all of our essential workers, our healthcare people, our police officers, our firemen, all of the people who have to go into work because they are really just protecting the community. They're on the front lines of everything. I would also love to just send my well wishes to all of those people who have to go to work because they don't have a choice. Even if you're not, helping the global community, if you're just going to work because you have to, I am wishing you all the best. I don't even know how to say it really. I just want us all to be extremely careful. So if you can, please stay in as much as possible. Wash your hands as much as possible. My hands are sort of raw from the amount of times I'm washing them, even though I'm in my own house right now. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. I hope that we get through this really quickly. I know it's affecting all facets of our life. And for those of you, who are suffering, if you know someone who is, my prayers are with you. My thoughts are with you. And I just love all of you guys so much. And I thank you for being a part of my life and my community. So yeah, we're going to jump into the moving vlog. I moved in 2 days ago. It's currently Wednesday. So I'm going to take you back to Monday where I moved out of my apartment, and then we will come back to this day with some unpacking. I already began yesterday. So I moved in Monday. I did a good bit of unpacking on Monday and Tuesday, and then I'm back at it today. So let's rewind to Monday. Hey guys, it's moving day. I'm here. I'm dressed. I'm blessed. Keeping the faith. I have flat rate movers on the way. I'm honestly so appreciative that they wanted to work with me on this move. It made what's already a stressful situation just a little bit less stressful. So I've been up early. Part of their services is that they will pack for you, but given the climate, I thought it would be better if I just one, make this go as quickly as possible. Two, sorry, I have a hair on my face. Two, to just limit the interaction with my stuff, to be honest. So I pretty much put most things together. So while it's not perfectly packed, I put all of my decorative things all to one side so it can easily be the stuff that needs to be bubble wrapped. And then I have this is actually a donation bag. Then I put some of my more generally needed to be carried purses in this large bag. And I have some incoming packages that I put in my old hamper. Some quick little, I want to know where it is immediately, like my remotes. Some of my cords are in this bag, my makeup. So yeah, and I emptied out my pantry, so it's all in these plastic bags, so they don't need to handle every individual item. They can hopefully just pick this up and put it into a box. They just called, they're on their way. I am going to eat my oatmeal. Just did the peanut butter edition. So I do overnight oats a lot, and I'm obsessed and addicted, and it's literally one of my favorite breakfasts. So I'm gonna eat that, and I do have time to make myself some coffee, which I left out. I'm happy about that. I'm just going to be as careful as humanly possible. I'm keeping my distance for my safety, for their safety. They will be wearing gloves and all of that. So it's just a crazy time, you guys. I hope that you are keeping well mentally because it's a lot. And then once I'm in my new place, I'm going to disinfect everything before putting anything away, and I'll get to the unpacking. So we're gonna have a good day. We are staying positive, and we are gonna get me moved across town basically. Yay! My bed's coming in. It's a very exciting moment because I want to go to sleep. Little update, my bed is being put back together. And I think it's gonna look so cute under this window. And we're back. Okay, let's start with the fact that I am exhausted. I'm trying to take my time with this, but I'm also so adverse to mess that I can't live in an unpacked house for very long without going crazy. So the first thing I want to show you is my bedroom because there's a lot of my old furniture in there. And I wanted to make sure that at least my bedroom was peaceful because the rest of the place is a disaster. Okay, so we have my old mirror. So this mirror was in my former dining room, and this dresser was in my former living room, and it was holding my TV. This plant was also, I think this plant was in a dining room. I'm gonna get like a cute silver chrome or mirrored like plant pot, I think. And this guy, my ladies, was in my bedroom before. Of course, I kept my bed. That is the view. We are obsessed. This was also in my other bedroom. This lamp and can you even see this? The acrylic table. It's a little wonky with the light, but yeah. Some other little updates. Bathroom is not unpacked, but I did hang my 2 shelves that were in my other bathroom. There were 4, and I'm trying to decide if I want to put another one kind of like here. So there's 3. Is my arm long enough to show you? I also got my shower head and the new curved rod put in, and a caddy, because before I used to have like a window that was right there that this stuff used to sit inside of. So, and then the kitchen. You guys, packing and unpacking in the kitchen is my biggest nightmare. Like, I hate it. So I started with the hardest room because I figured it's only uphill from there, right? If I do the thing that I hate the most, then maybe the rest of it won't be so bad. We are still, that's the remnants of my breakfast. We are still filled with boxes, but this whole area was packed with stuff. And it's like, how do you, how is there that much stuff in the kitchen? But really, it gets wild, We got some Pringles. We got some, what do you call it? Quarantine food. Got the bleachy, soapy water, been like rinsing everything. Dishwasher is loaded to rewash the dishes. I had to buy a microwave because my old place had one. I don't really have a bar situation set up, so right now I feel like I'm using this as the entertainment cabinet and have my prized collab bottles from my old PR agency. We had a, 1800 tequila and Evian, and there's these like collabby bottles from my time there. And then actual, party supplies. Honestly, the living room is doing pretty okay. The living room and my bedroom, I've been trying to keep the most like peaceful because I don't want to drive myself insane with like feeling overwhelmed. So there's, knickknacks here and there. Things need to be put away. We have a little pile happening here, which I'm working on today. The office studio-ish room is the most overwhelmed. These are the boxes that are being picked up. And then these are all things that I need to go through. This is like glassware and I guess like decor items from my old living room. So, so much to do. Oh my God, you guys. Intense. Yeah. So I went and opened up a few boxes, and I think that just like dumping boxes to get the boxes out is a terrible idea. I'm like, this is gonna make my place insane. So I'm gonna try to be diligent, and I'm gonna start with the worst room. You guys, judge me not, I moved in a day ago. But here she goes. So let's start here. I literally ripped this bag open looking for underwear this morning, so nightmare. 1 wardrobe box left. Most of my clothes are hung. These go in my room. So what I'm gonna do, and then this is, I don't even know. That says hall closet, so that must be like, I think this is a combination of beauty products and shoes. And then this is just some like, the good thing is like the boxes aren't really stuffed. This is purses. Same here. This is a donate bag that I accidentally opened. And then this mess. Oh, it's a nightmare. Everything's fine. She's doing fine. There's no one unraveling over here. Nothing to see here. I did a lot of work in the closet. Those are the wheels. She's looking good. She's color coordinated. The other side is kind of like bottoms and workout clothes progress. Now back into the disaster room. I think I'm going to color organize the dresses, which are hung, but they look a mess. And that way I can then, what's on the floor are jeans, crooked, sorry. What's on the floor is jeans and sweaters. So where will they go? I'm not sure. I think maybe on this shelf up here. I think that's it for today, you guys. I'm gonna keep moving, but I'll move faster if I'm not trying to unpack and record. So I hope this was fun for you to watch, just getting the beginnings of me or getting organized. More videos to come, more unpacking, more decorating. Stay safe, stay inside if you can. For those who cannot, I appreciate you and I'm thinking of you and praying for you, praying for all of us. That's it. Love you, mean it. Bye.